guys, so it is Saturday morning and today we've headed out. We are going to go to a place called Tops Daily, which is like a mini supermarket that apparently do like foreign, like Western products. But we are also popping out for lunch first. So we've gone to a nearby place called the Coffee Club. It looks like it has some really nice coffees in here, but it also has some like really good breakfasts and stuff like that. We haven't eaten yet and I'm starving, so I'm not sure what I'm going to have, but it looks pretty good. Has arrived. I got myself the egg benedicts and Callum got smashed avocado with what's on top? Eggs?
Poached eggs.
Poached eggs. Is that bacon?
Bacon. Larb hollandaise sauce.
And larb. Larb hollandaise sauce. And I think larb is like a Thai dish that's like a minced beef type thing. No, what is it?
Minced pork.
Minced pork. So it's like got the taste of this Thai dish to it, so it looks nice.